We got our air conditioner installed by P&P Heating and Cooling of Esto, Florida. That's near Bonifay, Florida, and Dothan, Alabama. We're here in Geneva, Alabama, and just want to show an example of their work that we had from them. This is one of the vents. You notice if you go to adjust the vent that it wiggles back and forth. If you pull on it a little bit, oh, it's going to fall out. Here's what was holding it in. Nothing. We look inside the vent. We can see into the attic. You feel the cold air from the attic. There's the shower. Oh, part of it fell out. Coming through there. So any air coming through the air conditioning duct is going to go, some of it anyway, is going to go into the attic. Well, that's a real waste of money. You can see the fine work that they've done, and this is pretty consistent with the rest of the job. Fine people. I have to recommend them. I just wanted to show you what kind of work they do.